How to block someone on TikTok. In this tutorial, you will learn how to block someone on TikTok. First, open or launch the TikTok mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app as shown here. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account's profile section as displayed here. On this screen, you'll find several areas that let you access different parts of the app. From those, the one we need is found here. Make sure you tap on this one labelled Followers. After that, your followers list will appear. You can also tap on the Followings or Friends list if needed. From there, scroll through and locate the specific account you want to block, then tap on that account. This will open their profile page, where you'll see several options you can use on that profile. The option we are interested in is this one here with the share icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, a menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen showing multiple choices. From the available options, tap on the one called Block. A pop-up will then appear asking you to confirm whether you're sure you want to block this person. Confirm by tapping Block, and just like that, the account will be blocked. Alternatively, you can block a user directly from the homepage too. All you have to do is tap on their profile name or username from a post or comment. That will once again open their profile section. Once there, look for the share icon, found at the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. A menu will appear from the bottom, just like before. From the list of options shown, simply select the one that says Block, and the user will be blocked instantly. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is, how to block someone on TikTok.